Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. Lenovo will launch the Lenovo Z5 on June 5th in Beijing, according to Lenovo Group VP Cheng. Cheng made the announcement on Weibo earlier today via Playful Droid while publishing an official poster for the event. Cheng has teased the handset, the latest in Lenovo ZUK series, a number of times in recent weeks, dropping some weighty hints about what it will offer. Chang has said the Z5 will show off 4 technological breakthroughs based on 18 patented technologies, including a potential 95% screen-to-body ratio. That Lenovo could outdo giants like Xiaomi, Samsung, and Huawei with a truly full-screen device is already unlikely. The company isn't exactly known for display tech innovation, but other comments by Cheng have only made the Z5 sound even more outrageous. Cheng has hinted that the phone could have as much as 4TB of internal storage space and up to 45 days standby times. If the Z5 delivered all of this, it would represent one of the biggest technological leaps we've ever seen in the smartphone sphere. All of these ideas are based on scraps from Chinese social media, so it's difficult to parse what's a likelihood from a simple misunderstanding. I'll tell you one thing for sure. I'm glad I've only got a week to find out what the Lenovo Z5 is really all about. So what do you guys think? Are you excited about this new device? Leave us your thoughts in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.